Hey guys, Lenny here. Got a couple things for you today. Got a box recap, some random cards that I've gotten in the mail the past couple weeks, and two packages I haven't opened. One from Panini and the other one from Kinfolk Steve, which I have no idea what that could be. First I'll get to the box. The wife got me a box of 2009 Donruss Threads football, and of course I busted it with her off camera, but some of the notable things I got: this Sanchez insert, this Big Ben out of 100, a bunch of just the other inserts, and this is pretty cool. It's a Jim Brown Gridiron Kings, numbered 100 of 100. That was neat. And a bunch of rookies with guys' names I can't pronounce, so I won't even attempt. For the hits, I got this triple of Delhomme, Smith, and Williams. It's pretty cool. Out of 250. This Eli jersey out of 100. Ocho Cinco and Andre Johnson duel. It's out of 100. And I guess the hit of the box was this Josh Freeman Letterman auto out of 175. So that was the box. Thank you, Renee, to my wife for that. Here's some cards that I've got randomly in the mail in the past couple weeks, and they've been all mixed up. So I'm just going to show them because they're all for trade. This Andre Johnson rookie auto. This Donnie Avery ball jumbo jersey out of 100. Mark Sanchez jersey. Tom Brady jersey. I don't see many with this color either, so I thought that was cool. Donnie Avery auto rookie. Early Doucette auto. Number 1 of 50. This Percy Harvin refractor rookie. And this Dennis Dixon that is PC, so that's the one that's not for trade in there. Let's see, what the heck else do I got? Showed that. I guess it'll be the Mailday today. First is one from Panini. I haven't opened yet. And a Mailday from Kinfolk Steve, which I'm going to open that first. No idea what Steve sent me. Oh man, this was from a while ago. Yeah, I actually forgot about this. But it was a Heath Miller rookie BGS thing. And this XL Jeter rookie. But yeah, thanks man, I forgot all about those. So next will be Panini. Now I'm pretty sure this is a National Treasures auto patch of Derek Williams redemption. So this could be super sick or super disappointment. So let's see here. I'm going to do it live. Okay, there it is. So that's the back. I'll put Brandon Marshall here on the front. Let's see what we got. That's upside down. Shit. Okay. Clean auto. Man, be sick as hell. Come on. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Very pleased. I got the redemption really cheap on eBay, and I said, oh hell, I'll give it a shot. And it panned out, so that's cool. Well, there's my Mailday, guys, and some cards I have for trade. So, yeah, that's about it. So, thanks for watching, guys, and talk to you later.